Hey there, and welcome to this beginner programming tutorial where we'll be covering declaring and initializing variables in several popular programming languages. All right, let's start by defining what a variable is. A variable is a container for a value which can be of various types depending on the programming language you're using. In general, there are three basic steps to creating a variable: declaring its data type, giving it a name, and giving it a value. Let's dive in. In JavaScript, declaring and initializing a variable can be done in one line. Here's an example. In Java, we first declare the variable by specifying its type. Here's an example. In Python, we can declare and initialize a variable in one line, like this. In C, we declare variables similarly to Java, but with a slight difference. Here's an example. And that's all there is to it. Now you know the basics of declaring and initializing variables in several programming languages. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Thanks for watching and happy coding.